Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE2, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power key, and when you have your boot options right here, hold power off. This in turn will bring up this window right here, reboot to safe mode, with the message, do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So let's select OK, and while the device is now rebooting, I'm going to quickly explain what this mode is for. So in safe mode, like the message stated, every application that you have installed yourself will basically not be able to run. And the reason for this mode is if you have installed some kind of malicious application that is completely messing up your device to the point that you basically cannot use it, you can boot your device into this mode, and that application will not be able to turn on in this mode and also continue to mess with your device, meaning you can now easily remove it and do whatever you want. Let me confirm my SIM pin. So there we go. As you can see, widgets are some of the things that also will not work in this mode. And additionally, there's a couple apps by default that don't even work. So not only the apps that you would install yourself, but also the ones that come with this phone, at least some of them. And the way you can tell if the app will run or will not is because apps that cannot run in this mode are monochrome. As you can see, there's Duo, which will not run, Games, which will not run, and let's see if there's anything else. There's Netflix, YouTube Music, Play Movies and TVs, or TV, Drive, and that looks like about it from the applications that are pre-installed that will not work. And when you try to open them up, as you can see, you get this pop-up right here, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. I have not downloaded them, so I'm not sure why they're disabled, but it's actually a better thing. Because, for instance, some phones come with Facebook. I would consider Facebook to be required in this kind of mode to be blocked, but not every phone decides to do that. So I'm okay with having excessive amounts of apps blocked rather than not enough. But anyway, that is how you boot into safe mode, and to leave this mode, all you would need to do is hold your power key again and select restart. Once the device boots back up, it will go back to normal mode. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.